Welcome to Session 4 of GED Algebra for Money and Business, Real-World Math. Commission pay combines a guaranteed amount with a variable reward tied directly to sales. This lesson is commission and total earnings. We will build the model, solve a complete example, connect it to a realistic decision, avoid the common traps, and finish with a GED-style checkpoint. The key relationship is this: earnings equal base pay plus commission rate times sales. The base is fixed. Commission is a percent of sales, not a percent of the paycheck. This creates a linear model whose intercept is the base and whose slope is the commission rate. Read every rate with its units, because the units show what should multiply, divide, add, or subtract. Worked example. A salesperson earns $500 plus 5% of $8,000 in sales. First, commission. 0.05 multiplied by 8,000 equal $400. Next, base pay, $500. Then, total. 500 plus 400 equal $900. Weekly earnings are $900. Notice that each line has one job, which makes the calculation easy to audit. Now, connect the algebra to a decision. Marcus compares two plans. Plan A pays $400 plus 3%, while Plan B pays 9% with no base. At $6,000 in sales, Plan A wins by $40. At $15,000, Plan B pays $1,350 and pulls far ahead. The pure interpretation is this: a base helps at low sales. A higher rate wins later. Numbers become useful only after we explain what they mean. Watch for two common traps. First, apply commission to sales, never to base or total pay. Second, in a tiered plan, use the higher rate only above its threshold. A reliable habit is to estimate the direction and size of the answer before accepting the calculator result. GED-style checkpoint. A worker earns $600 base plus 4% on $9,500 in sales. Find total pay. Decide what model applies before calculating. Here is the solution. 4% of $9,500 is $380. Add the $600 base to get $980. Therefore, the answer is $980. Check that the units and direction agree with the story. Use this repeatable method. 1. Name the base. 2. Convert the rate. 3. Multiply rate by sales. 4. Add the fixed base. That completes Session 4, Commission and Total Earnings. Keep the structure visible, and real-world money algebra becomes a sequence of small, dependable steps.